Welcome to tutorials on C programming. These tutorials are based on the textbook The C Programming Language written by Dennis Ritchie and Brian. In this tutorial, we discuss about ternary operator and conditional expressions based on the chapter Types, Operators and Expressions. Conditional expression is written using ternary operator denoted by a question mark and a colon. Expression 1 question mark, expression 2 colon, expression 3. This is the format of a conditional expression. Here expression 1 is evaluated first. If it is non-zero or if it is true, then expression 2 is evaluated and that is the value of this conditional expression. If expression 1 is 0 or if it is false, then expression 3 is evaluated and that is the value of the conditional expression. And please note that only one of expression 2 and expression 3 is evaluated. Both are not evaluated at the same time. Here is an example to use the ternary operator. It is to set Z to the maximum of A and B. If A is greater than B, set Z to A, else set Z to B. Same thing you can express using a conditional expression. Z is equal to A greater than B, question mark, A colon B. If expression is true, that is, if A is greater than B, Z get the value A. If not, Z get the value B. You can see a parenthesis used for expression 1. This is not mandatory as the precedence of ternary operator is very low. But for better readability, you can use it. Remaining part of this chapter will be uploaded in another video. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.